So guys, in this video we are going to learn how to insert our drums and manipulate it. So in the previous one we learned how to mess with our MIDI. We got this pattern, so we can start something. So the first thing is our insert MIDI track. If you already have a MIDI track here, it's fine. You can delete this anytime. You can insert more. So I duplicated these ones before because I wanted to keep what is up there. Let me hear what is up there. Yeah, now I played with it again, then I got this down one. So I'll still keep the first one up there. So now I'll right click here, say insert MIDI track. Now bring in my drum rack, go there and search under all drum rack. So now I can insert, I can come to sample. Anywhere you kept your sample, you can come there. Okay, so now my sample, I created a folder of my sample. If you don't know how to create a folder for this comment, there's a way you can create a folder, keep it, and you can detect it from here. So now I'll go to splice sample. Let me see what I have there. A lot or layback samples, cymatic samples. In case you need any sample here, you can also let me know. So under this, so I don't want loops, I want to use one shot. Let me go something more lo-fi. Let me search for lo-fi. Lo-fi. Or you can always change it as a kick. Go lo-fi starter pack. Oh, oh, so you can use any sample you have. I like to rename this kick. Now hi-hat. So this side can go up to 4 bars. I insert empty MIDI clip. Yeah, you can see this thing here. It's not sounding yet until you turn on your air headphone. Yeah, now they're sounding. So I can actually select this sound and duplicate. For now it's the same thing. Later you can mess up some stuff. It's just 3. Oh no. Yeah, that's 1, 2, 3. And delete this and insert 4. Yeah. So from here you can begin to place your kicks, and stuff like that. So for you to do that, pick this. When you place it, you can hear it. So you place as so you get your drums right. So I would like to reduce the BPM for this song. Let me keep it at 70. Low tempo song. So basically what I did here, I just placed these bars. When you place it, it becomes drum. And when I place it here, place my drum, the pattern that I want. But you can still mess with it the way I want. Just to give me the pattern I want. This is already sounding decent. There's still a lot of work to be done. If you want hi-hat, I imported hi-hat, so these ones I put two, then I reduce this. It's very small, something like that, something like this. Mhm. It's okay. So you can keep playing with this till you get what you want. So I can still play with both the MIDI and the drum to give me what I want. So in the next lecture now, we are going to work again on the MIDI, like trying to arrange our tracks and the rest. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for the next episode of this training series on sampling.